Welcome to the Rustic Planters, where inspiring garden ideas help transform everyday outdoor spaces into beautiful retreats. Today, we're exploring stunning succulent garden front yard ideas that deliver a sophisticated designer appearance while staying wonderfully low maintenance. Whether your home is modern, rustic, coastal, or contemporary, these creative ideas can instantly elevate your curb appeal. Succulents are loved for their sculptural beauty, impressive variety, and remarkable resilience. With thoughtful layouts, complementary materials, and artistic combinations, even a small front yard can become an elegant landscape that feels professionally designed. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment sharing your favorite succulent variety. Get ready to discover practical inspiration, timeless design principles, and eye-catching arrangements that make a lasting first impression without requiring constant maintenance. Let's explore how minimal effort can create maximum visual impact. One secret behind luxury landscape design is using bold groupings instead of scattering individual plants throughout the yard. Clusters of large succulents naturally become focal points that immediately capture attention and create a sense of intention. Mix different sizes, heights, and leaf forms to introduce visual depth while keeping the color palette relatively simple. Architectural varieties paired with compact rosettes create balanced compositions that appear curated rather than crowded. Leaving generous open space around each planting group enhances the premium aesthetic. Negative space allows every succulent to stand out while giving the entire landscape a clean, modern, and uncluttered appearance. Designer landscapes often rely on beautiful ground coverings to unify every planting bed. Decorative gravel, crushed stone, and natural rock create attractive textures while helping suppress weeds and reduce maintenance. Choose gravel colors that complement your home's exterior to create harmony across the entire front yard. Soft gray, warm beige, charcoal, or creamy white stones can dramatically influence the overall atmosphere without overwhelming the plants. Adding a few carefully positioned boulders introduces natural character and visual weight. These larger elements anchor succulent arrangements and give the landscape the appearance of a professionally planned garden. Well-defined pathways instantly organize outdoor spaces and encourage visitors to appreciate every garden feature. Simple stepping stones surrounded by decorative gravel create inviting movement while maintaining a refined, minimalist style. Borders made from natural stone, steel edging, or clean concrete lines help separate planting areas from lawns and walkways. These subtle details contribute to the polished appearance often found in high-end residential landscapes. Repeating the same edging material throughout the front yard creates visual consistency. This repetition ties every section together and helps even modest gardens feel cohesive and professionally designed. Layering different elevations gives succulent gardens greater visual interest. Raised planters, decorative pots, and elevated planting islands naturally guide the eye through the landscape while showcasing special specimen plants. Choose containers with clean shapes and finishes that coordinate with your home's architectural style. Consistent materials create unity while allowing the unique forms of succulents to become the primary attraction. Position containers in odd-numbered groupings and vary their heights for a balanced display. This simple design technique creates dimension without making the garden appear busy or complicated. Luxury landscapes often include subtle finishing touches that quietly enhance the overall composition. Sculptural accents, carefully selected driftwood, natural stone arrangements, or decorative gravel patterns can provide character without distracting from the planting design. Repeating colors and textures throughout the yard creates rhythm and balance. Coordinating pots, edging materials, and stone finishes helps every element feel intentionally connected rather than randomly placed. The greatest advantage of succulent gardens is their ability to combine striking beauty with practical simplicity. Thoughtful planning at the beginning allows the landscape to remain attractive throughout the seasons while requiring very little ongoing care. A beautiful succulent front yard doesn't require an enormous budget or constant maintenance. By combining sculptural plants, elegant hardscaping, layered compositions, and consistent materials, you can create a landscape that looks refined, welcoming, and professionally designed every day. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with the Rustic Planters. If you enjoyed these succulent garden front yard ideas, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment telling us which design idea inspired you the most. Your support helps us continue creating fresh garden inspiration every week. We hope today's ideas encourage you to transform your own front yard into a stylish outdoor showcase with minimal effort. Until next time, keep creating beautiful gardens that reflect your personal style, and we'll see you in the next video.